Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Mailchimp audience and campaign history, complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Mailchimp audience and campaign history, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab on the main dashboard. Select the audience you want to back up. Click on the View Audience button to access the audience details. In the Audience dashboard, find the View Contacts option. Here, you will see all your contacts listed. To export your audience, click on the Export Audience button. Mailchimp will prepare your audience data for download. Once the file is ready, it will be sent to your registered email address or downloaded directly, depending on your settings. Now, let's move on to backing up your campaign history. Click on the Campaigns tab from the top menu. You will see a list of all your created campaigns. Select the campaign you want to back up by clicking on its name. In the campaign summary page, look for the Export option. Choose to export either a summary or a detailed report. Confirm your export choice, and Mailchimp will prepare your campaign history. The exported report will be in PDF or CSV format, based on your selection. Once the report is ready, it will be available for download. Repeat this process for any other campaigns you wish to back up. When you finish, ensure all downloaded files are saved securely on your device. And that concludes the complete guide to backing up your Mailchimp audience and campaign history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.